made Middle East as a developed countries. Today, we have to think, we have to take a decision of Kerala future. All these 10 years, Pinarayi Vijayan is sitting in Thiruvananthapuram. His elder brother Narendra Modi is sitting in Delhi. These Modi brothers have ruined Kerala state. Because of these two persons, Kerala is facing many problems. Today, we have to teach a lesson to Modi brothers. Today, I wanted to appeal Kerala people, if you are going to vote LDF for Pinarayi Vijayan, the vote is going to reach Narendra Modi in Delhi. It is nothing but Pinarayi Vijayan is nothing but Narendra Modi, shadow Narendra Modi brother. There is no difference between Narendra Modi and Pinarayi Vijayan. So Kerala people are intelligent people, Kerala people are educated people. They have never allowed communal people into Kerala. They have marginalized communalists. They have marginalized RSS and BJP forces. They could not enter in Kerala because of your Lakshmana Rekha. But Narendra Modi doesn't want to take defeat. He wanted to come, he wanted to kidnap your Kerala future through Pinarayi Vijayan. He is trying to kidnap your youngsters' future. He is trying to kidnap everything from Kerala through Pinarayi Vijayan. That is why BJP people are trying to transfer their vote in Thiruvananthapuram and Kerala. Why? Because they don't want to win Rahul Gandhi and Gandhi family and UDF in Kerala. If UDF is going to win in Kerala, the government is going to implement welfare and guarantees, and the government is going to develop for Kerala youth. Today we have seen Middle East country war. Because of that reason, our Kerala people are working in Middle East countries. Around 45 lakh people are working in Middle East countries. Because of war, they wanted to come back. They wanted to develop their own state. All these years they worked for Middle East countries. Today they wanted to work for their Kerala. But there is no opportunities. There is no industries. There is no any other development to create employment to Kerala youth. Now this is the time to take Kerala people have to decide to vote. Who is going to develop your state? Who is going to develop industries in Kerala? Who is going to get investments from other places to Kerala? UDF is going to take that responsibility. Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, Gandhi family is going to take care of your future. You people are giving lot of love. You have adopted Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi into your family. Now Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi is family of Kerala. You people are giving lot of love Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi. We love Kerala. Why? Because Gandhi family is part of Kerala. That is why we wanted to Thanksgiving program. Every Congress party karyakarta from all over India wanted to come here, wanted to support Kerala people because of Gandhi family, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi. Finally, I wanted to tell one thing. Srimati Sonia Gandhi has adopted Telangana. Now our state is flourishing like anything. Because of her blessing, because of her support, Telangana is #1 state in India. her son and daughter, representing from Kerala. You have adopted, Sonia Gandhi ji has adopted Telangana, but Kerala people have adopted Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi into your family. Your state life is going to change because of this one reason. One reason is sufficient to support every Indian to Kerala. That is why I am here to support Kerala. Finally, I wanted to tell only one. Nipo Mone Dinesha. Nipo Mone Vijayan. Nipo Mone Vijayan. Your time is over. Your expiry date is over. You don't have any time to continue. Pinarayi Vijayan expiry date is over. Now UDF time is come. We are going to administer this state. We are going to develop Kerala. Thank you.
Move it.